Hi, this is David again. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do some country style ribs on the grill. Then we're going to cut them up at the end and make burn ends out of them. So I got the grill already at 225. I'm getting ready to put these on. I got some dry rub on it. I got Cosmo Q Honey Bee and Cosmo Q Dirty Bird and Honey Bee on it. So everything should be ready on the grill in about 2 minutes, so I'll get right back to you. Okay, I'm out here at the grill now. We got them, all the country ribs on the grill. It's about 7 of them. Temperature's up to 225. And we got plenty of charcoal in, so hold on 1 second. I'll shut this up. Right now it's at 220 because I just opened the lid up, so you can see it's raising now. It's already up to 222. The thing about this grill, I know it's a charcoal grill, but having that temperature control on it where you can just set it makes it a lot better. We got some rain coming in, so I don't know how long this cook's going to last, but I'm going to try to get them done before the rain comes in. I'll be back in about an hour. From 225 to 275, it took about 1 minute and 10 seconds on this grill. That's fast. It just, fan comes on, heats up that charcoal, and it gets to cooking. It's not a good sign when it's raining like that, your food's on the grill. So, but hopefully it'll stop in a minute and I'll be able to save this cook. Alright, the rain finally stopped. We got these ribs on. They've been on about 1 hour and 20 minutes. The rain didn't hurt the cooking that much. It poured for like 30 minutes. I still got a lot of water out here on it. But it didn't slow down my grill any, so probably another hour, hour and a half, and these things, I'll take them off and we'll cut them up and keep them up and make some burn ends out of them. And I'll be back. Okay, I took these country ribs off the Masterbuilt 560. Brought them in. I'm going to quarter them up now and put some barbecue sauce on them. When I finish, I'll be right back. Alright, we have the barbecue sauce on these country ribs. I'm going to cover them with aluminum foil and I'm going to put them back on the grill for about 45 minutes. When I take them out, I'll bring them back in and show them to you. Alright, I brought the burn ends in. It started raining again, so been fighting a lot today, the weather. Rained on me twice, but got the cook done anyhow. Some of them are burnt pretty good, some of them, kind of iffy. But it's got enough barbecue sauce on them. I think they'll be fine. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next cook.